Hello students, today we will study about the different ways to find the LCM and HCF. Let's start with LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. Least means smallest, common in all. So the smallest number, that is the common multiple of 2 or more counting numbers, is LCM. Now the different ways to find the LCM. So in this video, we will discuss about 3 different ways to find the LCM. First, by listing multiple. Second, by prime factorization method. And the third one, by division method. At first, we will discuss about listing multiple method of LCM. So the question is, find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So the first step of this method is list some multiples of given numbers. So we will list multiple of 6 here. As you all know, 6 ones are 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. Then 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48 and so on. Now we will list the multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. As you all know, multiple comes from the table. 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 40, 48, 56 and so on. Now multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72. Now the next step is identify the common multiples. So we'll find out for the common multiples. See the 24, 24, 24. So the first common multiple is 24. Like this 48, 48 and 48, 48. Our common multiples are 24 and 48 and so on. Now coming to the LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. Least means smallest. So what is the smallest common multiple or the least common multiple out of these common multiples? This is 24. So our LCM is 24. So our next method, by prime factorization method. Again we'll take the same question. Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12, but here we will use prime factorization method. So for this method, we'll do the prime factorization of the given numbers. So prime factorization of 6. 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3. Prime factorization of 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Prime factorization of 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 threes are 6 and 3 ones are 3. So 6 equal to 2 multiplied by 3. 8 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 12 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now to find out the LCM, first we will take out the common factors. Common in all 2, 2 and 2. So we'll write 2 one time. Now no other number is common in all. So we'll see which factor is common in 2. So that this is 3 and 3. Common in 2 numbers, that is 3. That also we'll write one time. This 2 and 2. This also we'll write one time. Now at the last we'll take the extra factors. So with 6 no extra factor. So with 8 one extra factor is here, that is 2. Now with 12 no extra factor. 2 common from all, 3 common from these 2, this 2 common from these 2 numbers and this 2 is extra. Now we'll multiply these all factors. 2 threes are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 twos are 24. So again our LCM is 24. Now the next method is division method. For this method also we'll take the same question. Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So the first step of this method is write the given numbers in a horizontal line, separating them by the commas. This is our horizontal line, 6, 8 and 12. Second step, divide them by the suitable prime number which is exactly divides one of the given number. So the smallest prime number is 2 and I'll start dividing by 2. And I can divide 6, 8, 12, all three numbers by 2. Now the third step, we put the quotient directly under the number. So 2 3s are 6. So what is the quotient? 3. 3 I will write just under the 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. Now again we'll see whether we can divide any of the number by 2 or not. Yes, we can divide 4 and 6 by 2. So again we'll divide by 2. Now if we will see any of the number is not divisible by this number, that number we will bring directly to the next row as it is. Like we cannot divide 3 by 2 exactly. So 3 we will write as it is. Now we'll go to the 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Again we can divide this 2 by 2. So we'll divide it. 3 we can't divide. So we'll bring it as it is to the next row. 2 1s are 2 and 3 again as it is. Now after 2 the next prime number is 3. So we can divide this 3 by 3. So we'll divide here. And here we have to divide till we don't get 1 1 1 in the last row. Now we will find out the LCM by multiplying these factors. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So our LCM is 24. So we have discussed about the different ways to find out the LCM. Now we will see the different ways to find the HCF. So now what is HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor. So here we will discuss three different ways to find the HCF. First one by listing factor method, second by prime factorization method, and third division method. So at first we will discuss listing factor method. So question is, find the HCF of 12, 18 and 24. So the first step, list all the factors of each number. So we will list all the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You know that factors are exact divisor. Now we list all the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we list all the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Next step, identify the common factors. So 1, 1, 1 is a common factor. 2, common factor. 3, common factor. Now 4 is not common. 4 is not common in all. 6, 6 and 6. Just so 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors. So as you all know, HCF stands for highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor here? Is 6. So our HCF is 6. Now the next method is prime factorization method. For this also we'll take the same question. Find the HCF of 12, 18 and 24. In this method, we'll do the prime factorization of given numbers. So, prime factorization of 12, 2 6 are 12, 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 24, 12s are 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 12 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 18 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 24, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. To find the HCF, we'll identify only the common factor here, which is common in all. 2, we'll write it one time, and this 3 in all. So we have only two common factors here, 2 and 3. So we got our HCF, 2 3s are 6. To find the third method is division method. It is easier to find out the HCF of large numbers, but we'll take the same question here. Find the HCF of 12, 18 and 24. To find out the HCF of three numbers, first we will take the HCF of two numbers, that is 12 and 18. So the step 1, divide the greater number by the smaller number. So we'll divide here 18 by 12. So 12 ones are 12. 6 left. Now make the remainder new divisor, and the previous divisor will be the dividend now. 6 2s are 12. Our division is over here. So the last divisor is the HCF. Now we will find out the HCF of last divisor and the last number. So again the smaller number will be the divisor. 6 4s are 24. Always the last divisor will be the HCF. So what is our last divisor? 6. So our HCF is 6. So you must have understood the different ways to find out the LCM and HCF. I hope the video will be helpful for you all. Thank you so much.